Small, roughly vertical surfaces located at the ends of an airplane's wings. Winglets are used to mitigate the effects of vortices that occur as the airplane flies. Their use not only reduces drag by about 20%, but also allows the wings to provide the same amount of lift, with a smaller wingspan. One can say that, like Viagra, they help when things need to go up. Winglets also help by increasing the fuel efficiency, and we all know that planes are like the groom's best man: the less they drink, the better. However, one of the most famous aircraft, the Boeing 777, does not use winglets, as its wing design is so efficient at generating lift, that it does not need to use them. I guess Boeing is like my mother-in-law, not everything about them is bad. See you in the next video. Until then, be good to each other, and keep your eyes on the sky.